In the world of cutting-edge construction technology, Strukturas is a name that commands respect. Based in Norway, Strukturas has become a global leader in advanced bridge-building systems and heavy lifting solutions, reshaping how large-scale infrastructure is built across the globe. Their core innovations include launching gantries, form travelers, and incremental launching systems, all designed to construct massive bridges with maximum precision and minimal disruption to the environment below. Take the launching gantries, for example. Massive steel machines capable of moving and placing entire bridge spans without the need for ground support. This is a game-changer for projects built over rivers, valleys, highways, or difficult terrains where traditional scaffolding is impossible or dangerous. Then there are the form travelers, specially engineered platforms used to build cantilever bridges. These allow construction to move segment by segment from a central support, reducing the need for cranes and speeding up construction timelines. They're modular, lightweight, and engineered to carry heavy loads, making them ideal for complex bridge designs. Strukturas also specializes in custom-engineered solutions. Each system is adapted to the specific needs of the project, whether it's a curved bridge in an urban landscape or a long viaduct stretching over untouched wilderness. Technology is used worldwide, from Europe to Asia and the Americas, powering some of the most challenging infrastructure projects on the planet. With a strong focus on safety, efficiency, and innovation, Strukturas helps engineers build faster, smarter, and more sustainably. Strukturas isn't just building bridges, it's building the future of infrastructure. Strukturas, lifting construction to new heights. When it comes to combining strength, simplicity, and style in building design, few solutions compare to U-panel exposed fastener metal panels, a popular and cost-effective choice for both walls and roofs in modern construction. U-panels are made from high-quality, roll-formed metal sheets that are lightweight, durable, and easy to install. They get their name from the distinctive U-shaped rib profile, which not only adds strength, but also offers a clean, low profile. Aesthetic perfect for residential, commercial, agricultural, and even industrial buildings. One of the standout features of U-panels is their exposed fastener system. This design allows the panels to be secured directly through the face of the panel into the structural supports using color-matched screws. It's a fast, straightforward installation method that reduces labor costs and saves valuable construction time. Despite their ease of use, U-panels don't compromise on performance. They offer excellent resistance to wind, rain, and harsh weather, and are commonly coated with galvalume or painted finishes to resist rust, fading, and corrosion over time. With minimal maintenance, these panels can last for decades. U-panels also excel in energy efficiency. When paired with the right insulation, they help regulate indoor temperatures, making them a smart choice for sustainable and energy-conscious building designs. They're available in a variety of colors and profiles, allowing architects and builders to achieve the look they want without sacrificing function. Whether it's a sleek modern home, a large barn, or a commercial warehouse, U-panel metal panels provide the versatility needed for both roofing and siding applications. In a world where construction demands are higher than ever, U-panels deliver durability, style, and efficiency, all in one simple solution. U-panel exposed fastener metal panels, built to last, designed to perform. In modern architecture and construction, speed, safety, and flexibility are everything. And when it comes to balcony systems, no solution delivers on all three quite like Sapphire clip-on balconies, a revolutionary innovation that's transforming how balconies are installed on residential and commercial buildings. Developed by Sapphire Balconies in the UK, this system uses a prefabricated modular design that allows balconies to be manufactured off-site under controlled factory conditions. Each balcony is then delivered fully assembled and ready to be installed using Sapphire's patented cassette system, which clips securely onto pre-installed brackets on the building structure. What makes this system revolutionary is the speed and simplicity of installation. Traditional balcony construction can be time-consuming, requiring on-site welding, scaffolding, and labor-intensive processes. But with Sapphire clip-on balconies, a fully assembled unit can be installed in as little as 20 minutes, using cranes and a few trained workers. This reduces build time, labor costs, and site congestion dramatically. Beyond speed, safety is at the core of Sapphire's design. Off-site fabrication means fewer workers at height and less risk on-site. The precision manufacturing process also ensures consistent quality, structural integrity, and compliance with building regulations. Sapphire balconies are also highly customizable. From size and shape to balustrade finishes, flooring options, and drainage systems, these balconies can be tailored to meet architectural and client-specific requirements, all while ensuring thermal isolation from the main building to prevent cold bridging. And it's not just about function. Sapphire clip-on balconies also bring aesthetic value, enhancing the appearance of buildings while offering practical outdoor space for residents. Used in high-rise buildings and large-scale developments across the UK and beyond, Sapphire's system is setting a new benchmark for balcony design and construction. Sapphire clip-on balconies, smarter, safer, and faster balconies for the buildings of tomorrow. When you think of construction innovation, moving entire houses and historic buildings might sound impossible. But for Wolfe House and Building Movers, it's all in a day's work. This remarkable company has revolutionized the science and precision of structural relocation, making the impossible possible. Founded in the United States, Wolfe specializes in lifting, leveling, and moving buildings of all shapes and sizes, from historic homes and large commercial structures to heavy timber barns and entire church buildings. Their work combines advanced engineering with cutting-edge equipment to preserve what would otherwise be lost to demolition or decay. At the heart of their operation is the unified hydraulic jacking system, an invention that allows entire structures to be lifted evenly and precisely. Instead of using manual jacks or relying on guesswork, Wolfe uses a synchronized hydraulic system that lifts every corner of the building at the same rate, preventing cracks, stress, or structural damage. Once the building is lifted, Wolfe's team installs custom-built steel beams and dollies, and using remote-controlled hydraulic platforms, they can move massive buildings hundreds of feet, or even transport them across town. Roads, trees, and terrain aren't obstacles anymore. They're just part of the plan. Their techniques are not only incredibly precise, but also sustainable. Instead of tearing down old structures, Wolfe gives them new life in new locations, preserving architecture, reducing waste, and saving materials. Wolfe's projects are seen across the U.S., and their work often garners national attention for its scale, precision, and the seemingly impossible moves they make look easy. Whether it's saving a piece of history or relocating a valuable structure for development, Wolfe House and Building Movers shows what's possible when engineering meets ingenuity. Wolfe House and Building Movers, lifting history, moving the future. In the world of modern building technology, comfort, energy efficiency, and smart design are key priorities. That's exactly where the Blanke Permatop wall system comes in, an innovative solution that transforms traditional walls into efficient, radiant heating surfaces. Developed by Blanke Systems, a German leader in building components, the Permatop wall is a hydronic wall heating system designed to deliver comfortable indoor temperatures through radiant heat without the need for visible radiators or vents. Instead of blowing warm air around the room, it radiates heat evenly from the walls, creating a cozy and consistent atmosphere. The system works by embedding flexible heating pipes into specially engineered wall panels. These pipes circulate warm water through the wall surface, which gently radiates heat into the room. The result? Silent, dust-free, and efficient heating, ideal for allergy sufferers and energy-conscious homeowners. Installation is made easy thanks to Blanke's modular design. The panels are lightweight, pre-configured, and easy to mount on existing wall structures. With quick connect fittings and integrated pipe guides, it's a system designed for both new construction and renovations. One of its biggest advantages is energy efficiency. Radiant wall heating requires lower water temperatures than traditional systems, reducing energy consumption while maintaining comfort. Plus, it frees up valuable floor and wall space, giving architects and designers greater creative freedom. Whether it's for homes, offices, or hospitality spaces, Blanke Permatop Wall delivers intelligent climate control in a sleek, hidden form. redefining how we think about heating. Blanke Permatop Wall. Invisible comfort, visible innovation. In the world of concrete construction, achieving precise, reinforced formwork quickly and efficiently is a challenge, but MBT Net Form changes everything. Developed by MBT, this cutting-edge prefabricated mesh formwork system is designed to streamline the construction of concrete walls, slabs, and foundations with superior speed and accuracy. At its core, MBT Net Form is a steel mesh-based stay-in-place formwork that replaces bulky wooden or metal molds. It comes ready to use with pre-attached reinforcement bars, allowing for faster setup on-site and eliminating the need for manual rebar placement. Once installed, concrete is poured directly into the mesh structure, where it flows evenly and cures seamlessly. The mesh not only shapes the concrete, but becomes part of the final structure, enhancing durability, crack resistance, and load performance. What makes MBT Net Form revolutionary is its lightweight design. Easy handling and customizable shapes, ideal for complex geometries or tight job sites. It reduces labor costs, construction time, and material waste, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. From high-rise buildings to infrastructure projects, MBT Net Form is helping engineers build faster, safer, and smarter. MBT Net Form, the future of formwork reimagined.